I'm Ian Brothers. I live here in DFW, Texas of the United States. I do a lot of fill-in work as a drummer here. I've played for bands like Black Vega, Magic Taylor, The Great Ants, Aiden Trammell and the 40 Stories, Ian Salazar, Bob Cummins Jr., One-Eyed Monsters, some other ones that I'm trying to think of right now, but I can't. But I do a lot of fill-in work, a lot of studio work. I play Sundays at my church, First United Methodist Mansfield, which I really enjoy. I get to play some more percussion stuff there, which is great. I played percussion in high school, played percussion in college, and right now I work as a video editor, and drumming is a bit of a side job and hobby, and that video editing helps me fund it with this beautiful kit here, this Ludwig. Yeah, I was so happy that Collision reached out and told me to check out their sticks. I use these 7As, really big fan. I like the lighter sticks, kind of more jazzy feel. And the first thing I noticed was how sturdy they are. I have not broken a pair of sticks yet, and I've been through about 6 or 7 pairs just because I like the fresh sticks and that fresh stick feel. But I love the beads of the stick. I love the dynamics that I can get from the cymbals and separately from the toms and the snare drum as well, how different I can get the sound wise. And I also sometimes flip over the stick and use the butt, and it gets a great low tone out of it, which I really enjoy. I am just a big fan of how well these feel in my hands, how much they feel like the popular drumsticks that people will buy, and I mean these things are going to be huge. There's no doubt about it, and it's an honor to be a part of that team. And so I'm going to play drums on a song from my band's Magic Taylor. It's probably one of the more complex drum parts I wrote, and that's why I decided to play it. It's a really fun groove. So yeah, I hope you enjoy, and yeah, Collision Drumsticks. Thanks.